Guys, so welcome to Everyday Growth channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Fiverr video. So in one of my previous videos I mentioned that I was going to be starting a Fiverr series, and this is the beginning of that series, guys. So forgive my voice if it sounds cracky or anything like that. And I'm going to be starting with how to create yourself a Fiverr account. So guys, this is basically the very first Fiverr account I created, but I didn't use this account. I created this account back in 2021. Yes, but I wasn't active with this account. So I created another account that same year, but that account got banned, restricted this year. So that's why I had to go back to this account, and I thought maybe I could do a video for you guys as I'm like recreating this account. So I got this message for Fiverr on my old account, and this is the email they sent to me. Sorry, we weren't able to verify your identity. Your account has been restricted. You're still able to complete your active orders. So at some point they asked for my ID, but they didn't verify my ID. I don't know why, and they restricted my account. So I couldn't access my Fiverr account anymore. So that's why I decided to create go back to my old Fiverr account. I didn't create a new Fiverr account. I decided to go back to my Fiverr account, and I'm going to put things together. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, so you can get your Fiverr gig ready and start making money. Okay, so let's get back to the Fiverr app. So guys, this is my Chrome browser. I can do this with any browser of your choice. Just go in there, type in fiverr.com, and you're going to get to this page. And if you don't have an account, you're going to see sign up. When you sign up, you're going to see seller or buyer. You're going to choose go ahead, continue as a seller. Okay, you want to be a seller, you don't want to be a buyer. For you to make money, you have to be a seller, right? So basically, creating an account on Fiverr is very simple, and it is free. It's just a freelancing website for anybody. Anyone can access this website. Whatever country you're in, you can access this website. So just stick with me as I guide you on how to make money using this website. So I'm just going to click on my profile here, and I'm going to okay, this is where it says become a seller here. This after creating your account, you're going to click on this your profile image. You're going to see become a seller. You're going to tap on it. And these are the steps to get started. You're going to create a key. You're going to deliver great work and get paid. Okay, but it won't just happen like that. There are some series of things you have to do and put in place, and I'm going to be talking about that in these videos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to click become a seller here. So basically, these are the steps to follow to get you ready for selling on Fiverr. The first one is just their rules and regulations and all that. You have to like familiarize yourself with the Fiverr terms and regulations, okay. Then the next thing is to create your seller profile. You have to add your profile picture, like add your actual self. Very important. You can't leave it blank. You're not going to get trust from your clients. You have to describe yourself in a very professional manner. Put in your age, where you reside, and everything, so you can like develop trust. Okay, the next thing is your professional information. You can add your portfolio or past work you've done. I'm going to get in all that in details, okay, as we go on. Then publish your gig. I'm still going to do that. So let's click on continue here. Okay, see, basically saying the same thing and all that. Okay, this is the part where you have to add everything you want to add, and now I would you have to add your real name, just in case of identification. I think the reason why they couldn't verify my old account, because maybe I didn't add my real name here. So ensure you add your real name at the full name section. Your real name, then your display name, you can put something that's not your real name. If you don't want to put in your real name, you can put a nickname or your work name. Then your profile picture, ensure you put a good profile picture, a professional profile picture. Okay, ensure you put in a good image of yourself. Then your description, this is the description I did some years ago. I think I'm going to change it. make a very good description for yourself. I think let me just do something now at all. So I just want to delete everything here. So guys, if you don't know what to do here, like if you don't know what to write in this description section, I'll advise you to use ChatGPT for your description. So let's just go to ChatGPT and find ourselves a good description that is going to give us more clients trust. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to go to my ChatGPT here. Okay, so I'm just going to type in my prompt. Give me so guys, on my Fiverr, I think I'm gonna be focusing on the writing gigs, maybe transcription, things like that, and graphics. That's what I'm gonna be like focusing on. So whatever you choose to do, you're gonna like add it to your prompt. Let ChatGPT give you something good, okay? As a writing creative and a graphic designer. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I see it's giving us something good already. Welcome, I'm your name, a seasoned creative writer and graphic designer with so and so years of experience in crafting compelling stories, eye-catching visuals, whether you need a persuasive sales copy. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to copy everything here. So basically this is the first video of the series and I do not want the video to be very long, so I'm just going to try my best to be really fast here. So I'm gonna go back. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do, and like the video and share to know if you that may need this information. Okay, I'm just gonna head to delete everything here. So we're gonna be adjusting everything here and see what you're going to add or remove. Okay, so remove the brackets. Okay, actually cut this for me. So we couldn't put everything in here, right? So I'm just gonna edit it to suit the requirements for Fiverr description. Okay guys, I think this is good. Something simple like this, you don't have to do too much. Okay, and you go ahead to choose your language, and I'm gonna go ahead to click on continue. So guys, this is the next page they're going to send you to. This is your professional information. So my occupation, I'm going to choose something here. Okay, writing and translation, I'm going to go with writing and translation. So whatever you want to choose, ensure it is aligned with what you can do very well. So I'm going to go with writing and translation. Okay, choose 2 to 5 of your okay, I need to fill this to year from into 18. So let's see how to choose 2. Transcription, proofreading and editing. So this you have to really take your time to think of something that you know you can really do well. Okay, we have 5 here. We're gonna go ahead. So skills, how to change all these things. I'm just going to go ahead to fill all of this. I'm going to put in my country, my uni, what I major in, the title, any certificates I have or awards, any personal website I want to link to my Fiverr. I'm just going to do that and get back to the video. Okay, so I'm just going to pause it and continue, right? So guys, this is the next stage after all that. So you have to verify your email and your phone number, and I have done that. So I'm just going to click on continue here. Get this option of joining a kickstart program, but it requires you paying money. So I'm not going to join that. I don't want to join that. I can do it on my own, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to click on create gig. So if you click on join now, if you're going to get the option of paying for a guides program, a kickstart program, okay, but you don't have to do that. Okay, just going to click on create gig, and this is where we are. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this on my next video. So this is a series of Fiverr on how to make money on Fiverr, and I just thought carry you guys through how you can like create your account and set up your profile. So the next part is gonna be on how to create your gig, and this one is very important, and I'm gonna carry you guys through it in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, ensure you do subscribe, like this video, share this video, and comment anything you need, anything you want to learn about Fiverr. Comment this on the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Apply everything I taught you in this video. Ensure you do that step by step. Anything I said you should do it. You don't want to get yourself banned or terminated or restricted or having low views of customers on Fiverr. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching.